Hello, today we're going to learn the Beethoven Symphony No. 3 Scherzo movement. Before we dive into the piece, I would like to talk about a few things. To pay attention to the dynamics and articulation and rhythm. Those are three major things we need to focus on. And I think 3, 4, but we should be playing in one dotted half note, so one beat per measure. Let's work a little bit about the spiccato. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I want you to think about each measure. It has to have a little bit of, I wouldn't want to use the word accent, but it's more emphasized. Okay. Now we're going to try to play the slow speed first. Pay attention to the dynamic at the beginning. It says double piano. We're going to use the metronome 70 per dotted half. Ready, go. Now, when we see the dotted half notes on the second line, make sure there's a tiny bit of space in between those two notes. Should not be played. No. Okay. Now let's move on to letter A. Ready, go. Now we want to talk about the accents. The accents on the second beat, which is kind of offbeat a little bit. So make sure you do the sforzando on the second beat. As you can hear, this is very the dynamic range is very large, from double piano to double forte. So we really need to play much more dramatically. Now I will go to play at the real speed. We're going to learn how to play the spiccato very clean and very dry, because for this piece it requires very crisp kind of sound. You have to use very, very tiny bow. It's almost like you can hear a bite on each note. So make sure it's very, very even each note.